So why do we do stuff like this? Why do we set up these crazy drills where we're walking in and around barrels and we're shooting at targets while we're keeping our feet moving? Why does all that stuff happen? This is not going to be what a real gunfight is like. But the reason we do this is these are divided attention drills. They make us think about more than one thing. Imagine how much is going to be going on during a gunfight. You need to focus on your front sight. You need to focus on your trigger control. You need to focus on your target and what is beyond it. You need to focus on the things that are around you. Where is your family? Where are innocent people? Where is the bad guy? Is there more than one bad guy? That's why we set up training scenarios that make us do more than one thing. If you just stand on the range and do this, you're plinking. You're target practicing. You're not training your body to do the things you need to do to fight. So we set up different types of drills. And if you can do these drills on your range live fire, great. But if you can't, maybe you can use UTM in your backyard. Maybe you can use a SIRT pistol. Maybe you can use laser ammo. Maybe you can use an airsoft gun or anything that is going to put you in a position to draw, move, focus on the front sight, and operate the trigger. These are all the things that have to come together when you're involved in a fight. And true, you're never going to be making a figure eight through some barrels when you're involved in a gunfight, but you're going to have to be moving. I'm Kevin Michalowski, editor of Concealed Carry Magazine. If you like these videos, please share them with all your friends. And remember to subscribe to this page. We'll give you more great information every week. And click that notifications bell up there. We'll notify you every time a new video comes out.